Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down the MacBook Pro and removing the battery if possible. This prevents shorts. Once done, secure an ESD strap and set the machine on a non-conductive pad. Use a magnifier and bright light to inspect the USB port. Look for debris, bent pins, corrosion, or a loose housing. Next, remove the bottom screws with the correct driver. Make sure to track screw locations so reassembly goes smoothly. Start the process now. Don't skip accurate inspection. Once the bottom case is off, identify whether the USB port is on a daughter board or directly on the logic board. You'll clean the connector with 90% plus isopropyl and compressed air to remove grime. Then, under magnification, carefully straighten bent pins with a plastic spudger. Metal tools will cause shorts. If the port's housing is loose or solder joints are cracked, prepare for micro-soldering. Apply flux, preheat the area, and use a fine soldering iron or hot air. After soldering or cleaning, let the area cool. Then reassemble the MacBook Pro in the reverse order, taking care to seat cables and screw threads correctly. You should boot and test multiple devices, check data transfer speeds, and confirm charging behavior. Use a multimeter to verify continuity if needed. If intermittent issues remain, replace the USB port assembly or consult a professional for advanced micro-soldering. One troubleshooting tip: if a device still isn't recognized, reset the SMC and NVRAM before concluding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.